Hello students, good morning to everyone. Welcome back to my science class here. Yes, as we all are discussing about the your seventh chapter, that is the last chapter of your syllabus here. That is our planet, the Earth. Right. So we have discussed life on the Earth. Right. So life on the Earth, how can we survive? Because the Earth has got very important factors that are air and water in its surface, on its surface. Right. So we are able to, so all the living things are able to survive on this earth because of the exact temperature, because of some factors, right? Some suitable factors that are very helpful for us, that are mainly it may be temperature, it may be air, water. So these are all very these are all perfect, and that for that reason we are able to survive on this earth. Then in today's class, let us move for the movements of the earth. So coming to the movements of the earth here, earth has got mainly two movements ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಚಲನೆ ಹೌದಾ, ಅದರದ ಒಂದು ಮೋಷನ್. Movement means motion from one place to another place, changing its position from one place to another place, right? Then the question arises for you, yes, whether earth goes from one place to another place, whether it moves. Yes, absolutely right. But it moves, but we don't feel it because it will be very slower. Okay, the movement of the earth is very slow, so that we cannot experience its movement. ಹೌದಾ? ಸೊ ಅರ್ತ್ ಮೂವ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಂದರೆ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಮೂವ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅರ್ತ್ ಜೊತೆ, ಹೌದಾ? ಸೊ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಮೂವ್ ಆಗ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಬರೀ ಅರ್ತ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಮೂವ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ದ ಮೂಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಅರ್ತ್ ಈಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಸ್ಲೋವರ್, ಹೌದಾ? So that we cannot experience its movement. Then coming to the movements of the earth is moving all the time. However, we do not feel this movement. The earth has two movements, rotation and revolution. Yes, the movement of the earth, we cannot feel the movement of, we do not feel the movement of the earth. And here the earth is moving all the time. Yes, earth is moving all the time. It may be day or it may be night, all the time the earth is moving. Then see here, and also we do not feel the movement of the earth. Yes, earth has got the two movements. What are they? Means they are rotation and revolution. Rotation and revolution are the two movements of the earth. Coming to the rotation here, so rotation, what is rotation? Means the earth spins on its own axis like top all the time. An axis is a straight line from one end to another and passing through the center. The earth's axis is imaginary and it's also slightly tilted to one side. The earth spins anti-clockwise, and that is from west to east. The movement of the earth is known as rotation. Yes, what is revolution and what is rotation? See here, first discuss about the rotation. We shall now discuss about the rotation, and here earth takes around 24 hours to complete one rotation. Is what do you mean by rotation? Means the earth, the movement of the earth on its axis. So what is the axis? Means the earth is having a straight line from one end to another end, so that is known as earth's axis. Okay, so here you can see these are the axis, right? So yeah, this is the movement of the earth. This is said to be the rotation revolution ಎರಡು ಮೂಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅರ್ತಿಂದು. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ರೊಟೇಷನಿಗೆ ಬಂದಾಗ rotation, how can the earth rotate? Or means here earth is going to spin its own axis. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಆಕ್ಸಿಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಹೌದಾ? ಸೊ ಈ ಆಕ್ಸಿಸ್ ಅರೌಂಡ್ ಏನಾಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ, ಈ ಅರ್ಥ ಸುತ್ತುತ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ರೌಂಡಾಗಿ ಸುತ್ತುತ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ the earth is going to rotate around its axis, and an axis is a straight line from one end to other passing through the center. The earth's axis is imaginary. It is also slightly tilted to one side. The earth spins anti-clockwise, that is from west to east. The movement of the earth on its axis is called as rotation. Yes, rotation of the earth takes 24 hours. Nodili, first let us let us imagine that this is the earth. Okay, so this is the earth, and see, so this is the earth which has got spherical shape. Yes, we have decided that earth has got spherical shape, right? What is the shape of our earth? Yes, the shape of our earth is spherical. And see here, earth as is imaginary axis. The earth's axis is imaginary. So this is an imaginary axis, and earth is going to just rotate about its own axis. Okay, so earth is going to rotate. Earth ಏನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, ತನ್ನ imaginary axis ಸುತ್ತ ತಿರುಗ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. So then this type of movement is known as rotation. Okay, and here earth takes 24 hours to complete one rotation. Understood? Earth takes of about 24 hours to complete one rotation. Yes, so here that is said to be the rotation. And see, earth like a top, you can see this is top, right, ಟಾಪ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಬುಗುರಿ ಹೌದಾ. ಸೊ ಈ ಬುಗುರಿ ಹಿಂಗೆ ತಿರುಗ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ನಾ ದಿಸ್ ಪ್ಲೇಯಿಂಗ್ ಟಾಯ್. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ತೀವಿ, ಇದೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಬುಗುರಿ ತನ್ನಷ್ಟಕ್ಕೆ ತಾನೇ ಸುತ್ತುತ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ರೈಟ್. ವೆನೆವರ್ ವಿ play the top, it's going to just rotate around itself. So in the same way, earth is also rotating around itself on its own imaginary axis. That is said to be the rotation. And for this rotation only, day and night causes for us. See here, half of the earth is always facing the sun, and other half is always from the half is always from the sun. The part of the earth facing the sun receives the sunlight and has a day. The other half, which is away from the sun, is darkness and has night. As the earth rotates, the other side of the earth, which was darkness, gradually comes to face the sun and has the daytime. As a result, the side which had a day is in darkness and has night. This rotation causes the day and night. One day, one night together equals to 24 hours. Yes, we know that one day equals to 24 hours. Right, one day equals to 24 hours. Is coming to the rotation of the earth. Let me say that clearly. So imagine this is a sun, right? So this is the earth, which is at a particular right distance from the sun. So here earth, what did I say? Earth actually rotates around itself, right? So earth rotates around itself, and the part of the earth which gets the sunlight. Okay, here two halves are there. So here this is one half, and this is second half, right? Yes, whenever we cut the lemon, we get the two exact parts, right? In the same way, earth has also got two parts, but it is slightly tilted. Earth is not equally divided, but it actually rotates around a tilted movement, right? So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಅರ್ತ್ಗೆ ಯಾವ ಒಂದು ಅರ್ತ್ನ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಗೆ ಸನ್ಲೈಟ್ ಬೀಳುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಮಗೆ ಡೇ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾವುದು? ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ರಿಸೀವ್ಸ್ ದ ಸನ್ಲೈಟ್. ದ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಅರ್ತ್ which receives the sunlight as a day, and the other part, so here it is present. So the other part of the earth, or the other halfway, which is away from the sun, right? So the part of the earth which is away from the sun, that receives the darkness, means that will be totally darkness and has night. So in the same way, we will get the day and nights because of the rotation of this earth. ಹೌದಾ? ಸೊ rotation of the earth ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನೋಡೋಣ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. So for example, this is a sun, right? Dear students, please concentrate here. This is a sun, this is a earth, right? So earth is actually tilted, right? It just moves like this. ಹೌದಾ? ಅರ್ಥ ಏನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ? tilted ಆಗಿ ರೊಟೇಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಸನ್ ಸುತ್ತ. It's going to move around the sun, and here the part of the earth, this is the half part of the earth which receives more amount of sunlight has a day. ಇಲ್ಲೇನಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಹಗಲಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. Then what about this part? Right. Yes, see here the other part of the earth which has no sunlight, that will be darkness. Okay, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ ನೈಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಸನ್ ಬಂದಾಗ ನಮಗೆ ಡೇ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಸನ್ ಇರದೇ ಇರೋ ಕಡೆ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ನೈಟ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಕಾಸಸ್ ದ ಡೇ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ನೈಟ್. Hence we say that rotation of the earth causes day and night for us, and that takes 24 hours to complete one rotation. Okay, for the earth to complete one rotation around the sun, it actually needs 24 hours. So we say that one day equals to 24 hours. Okay, yes, one day equals to 24 hours. Next, now we shall talk about the next movement of the earth, that is revolution. Okay, next we shall discuss about the revolution here. The earth only rotates on its axis. The earth not only rotates on its axis, it also moves around the sun in a fixed path, that is called as orbit. Yes, the movement of the earth around the sun is called as revolution. Yes, what do you mean by revolution? Means the movement of the earth. Okay, this is the earth, right? So this is the earth. Rotation is when we say the rotation means the movement of the earth around itself. Okay, it just completes one round around itself is known as rotation. And when we say that it is a revolution means by rotating around itself, it just revolutes, or it just rotates around it just moves around the sun also. That is said to be the revolution. Understood? See here, earth rotates around itself, that movement is said to be the rotation. That earth moves around itself, that is said to be the rotation. And also not only this earth moves around itself, it also moves around the sun too, that is said to be the revolution. Understood? So clearly ಏನಿದೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಅರ್ತ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, ತನ್ನ ಸುತ್ತ ತಾನು ತಿರುಗೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ನಾವು, ರೊಟೇಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ತನ್ನ ಸುತ್ತುತ್ತಾ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಅದು ಸೂರ್ಯನ ಸುತ್ತ ಹಾಕುತ್ತೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ನಾವು, ರೆವಲ್ಯೂಷನ್. ಎಸ್, ದೆನ್ ಹೌ ಮೆನಿ ಡೇಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಟೇಕ್ಸ್ ಟು ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಒನ್ ರೆವಲ್ಯೂಷನ್? ಡಿಡ್ ಯು ಗೆಸ್ ಇಟ್? Yes, that is nothing but the 365 and 1/4 days. Okay, that is we can say that approximately that is 366 days. Okay, here earth takes around 366 days to complete one revolution. See here, earth takes about 366 days to complete one revolution around the sun. And here, this is why we experience seasons due to this. Yes, right. So we have experienced seasons, or a revolution of the earth causes seasons for us. And we are having mainly 5 seasons. What are they? Means, see here, they are the summer, winter, autumn, spring and monsoon. Okay, so in the next class we shall discuss about the seasons, but now just concentrate on this revolution. So what do you mean by revolution? Means the earth not only rotates around itself, but also it makes a movement around the sun is said to be the revolution. The movement of the earth around the sun is said to be the revolution. And the earth takes 1 year to complete one revolution around the sun. Revolution of the earth causes seasons, and they are here. And see here, it is because of the rotation that America has night when India has day. It is because of the revolution that we have seasons like winter and summer. Yes, this is because of the rotation of the earth. Because of the rotation of the earth ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ರೊಟೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಅರ್ತ್ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ, ರೊಟೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಅರ್ತ್ ಆಗೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ. ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ ಮಿ ಸೆ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಸನ್. ರೊಟೇಷನ್ ಹೇಳಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳಿದೆ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಸನ್. ಇಮ್ಯಾಜಿನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಸನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ದಿ ಅರ್ತ್. ಅರ್ತ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, ತನ್ನ ಸುತ್ತುತ್ತಾ ಸೂರ್ಯನ ಸುತ್ತ ಒಂದು ರೌಂಡ್ ಹಾಕುತ್ತೆ. ತನ್ನ ಸುತ್ತಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ವೆನ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಮೂವ್ ಅರೌಂಡ್ ಇಟ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್, ದ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಅರ್ತ್ where the part of the earth where it gets the sunlight, that has a day, and the other part of the earth which is far from the sun, that experience the darkness. In the same way, if we are here, for example, let me say, okay, so you are here. Let us say this is one which is present here in India, and let us imagine the boy named 2 who is in America. Okay, yes, now we are receiving the sunlight, so the boy in India experience day, and at the same time the boy 2 who is present in the America experience night, because that part is away from the sun, right? They get the darkness. So this is why we say that America has night while India has a day, because these countries are far from the sun. The places or the part of the earth which is far from the sun, that experiences the darkness, and the part of the sun which is near, or the earth where the light of the sun falls, that experience the day. Okay, yes, this is all about the revolution and rotation of the earth. And now in next class, let us discuss about the seasons and some objectives of this chapter. Thank you.